Okay, instruction says remove the plunger and the cap from the chamber. So originally this was inside like this. This was like this before. Whoa, okay. Alright. Whoa, now it's hard. Whew. Anyway, I guess because I washed it. Alright, how the heck am I gonna put that in there? Alright, so put a filter in the cap and twist it into the chamber. Okay, so we got the filter. Put it there. And twist it. Okay. Alright, that's twist. Then what? Stand the chamber on a sturdy mug. It's just a mug. It's a mug. Put 2 AeroPress scoop of fine drip grind coffee into the chamber. Okay, put 2 scoops. Well, this is the scoop that came with it is much bigger. So it's like this. Alright, so this is how it looks like, the scoop that came with it. The one I'm using the one that I normally use, which is this small. Just so I want to test it. Just don't want it too strong. So I'm just going to put 1 and 2. Alright, that's 2 scoops. Now what? Pour hot water slowly into the chamber up to the number 2. We recommend 175 degrees Fahrenheit water for dark roasts and 185 degrees Fahrenheit water for lighter roasts. Well, I got my hot water here. Alright, good. Okay. Alright, that's 1 mug. Alright. Now what? Mix the water and coffee with a stir. Okay, so mix. Mixing it. While you're mixing, I'm gonna clean up my mess. So now you know you have to be careful with pouring hot water. But if you have the water dispenser, that's not going to be a problem. Alright. Mix. And what? Mix the water and coffee with the stirrer for about 10 seconds. Is that 10 seconds? 10 seconds. I don't know if that's 10 seconds. Mix. Alright, I think that's 10 seconds. Alright. Whoa. Alright, what's next? Next is wet the rubber seal. That's the seal right here. Wet the rubber seal and insert the plunger into the chamber. Okay, so wet it. Wet. Insert the rubber seal. Okay. Gently press down about 1/4 of an inch. Oh man. Maybe I'm not doing this right. Ooh. Shakada. So you need to put pressure right there. Gently press down about 1/4 of an inch and maintain that pressure for about 20 to 30 seconds until the plunger bottoms on the coffee. Gently pressure is the key to easy AeroPressing. Oh God. Dude. Ooh. Okay, this is my exercise for the morning. Ooh. Alright. Oh, fudge. Alright. can hear something. Alright. Okay. Maybe it's done. Alright. Okay. Voila. Woohoo! Got myself a coffee.